Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you my home country Burundi, places that you should visit when you go to Burundi, the food that we enjoy the most that you should definitely try when you visit Burundi. So guys, with the pandemic and everything, you are not allowed to enter the country. At the airport you do your COVID test. The government has arranged some buses come and pick people from the airport and take them to their hotels, and we're going to stay there for like 3 days until when your results are out. So if your results are out and you are negative, you are allowed to go home, but if they come positive, you have to stay in that hotel for more 14 days. So yes guys, this is the hotel that I was staying in. Let me just do a quick house tour for you guys.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. For you in the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
Guys, Burundi is a landlocked country. We don't have any ocean, but we do have a lake called Lake Tanganyika, and we do have amazing beach places that you should definitely visit when you go to Burundi. In today's video I'm going to show you guys Bora Bora beach. Bora Bora, it's a beach that we have in Burundi. It's usually very lit during the weekend. This was on a Monday, no one was there, so yeah, I wanted to go on a Monday because I wanted to show you guys how does the place look like without so many people. So guys, we ordered 2 drinks and 2 plates of food, chips and chicken and salad, and I also had water, and we paid around 30,000 Burundian money, which is around $9. Yes guys, 900 Kenyan shillings, which is amazing. Guys, things in Burundi are very affordable, very affordable. So yeah, that is it for beach. Now let's move on to the next place. The next place that we are going to visit is called Musée Vivant. It's a small museum that we have in Burundi, located in town Bujumbura. Yeah, it doesn't have so many animals, but you get a chance to see a leopard, some crocodiles, some snakes. So yeah, just have a look how the museum does look like. If you have been on this channel for long, you know a video can't end without us talking about food. So guys, this is goat's meat. We usually call it umuchopo. This meat is amazing and tasty. They cook it for more than 3 days, so when you eat it, it's usually delicious and amazing. So when you visit Burundi, make sure you try umuchopo. Next, it's brochette. Brochette is also goat meat. They put it on sticks, then add some salt and roast it. It's usually nice. Oh, I love it, and I also miss brochette. So when you visit Burundi, make sure you try those two things, umuchopo and brochette. So make sure to try those two types of goat meat. So on my last day, my sister decided to take me for an ice cream treat. Yes, guys, this is my sister and my brother. Yeah, we are a big family. When you visit Burundi, make sure you try this type of sausages. They are usually tasty and nice. And also make sure you try cassava leaves, isombe. Isombe siragyoshi. Isombe. When you go to Burundi, don't leave Burundi without trying isombe. If there is one thing I love about Burundi is the food. The food there is usually very tasty, amazing, and affordable. Yeah, so don't leave Burundi. Miss everything, but don't leave Burundi without trying isombe and sausage. Guys, can you imagine this video? Like, I visited all those places in just one day because I didn't have so much time. But I can't wait to visit soon again so that I can show you more of Burundi. So thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. This was my last COVID test before coming back to Kenya. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.